Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Claude master prompt using the alternative conversational interactive interviewing method. This is the perfect fix if you do not want to write out complex instruction blocks or bracket layout lists by hand, allowing the tool to quiz you directly to build your perfect custom prompt sheet automatically. Step 1. Paste the master interview trigger instruction string. The first step is to open a completely fresh chat box window and paste a specific command string that tells the tool to act as an expert prompt engineer evaluator. Move your mouse pointer over to your main application dashboard screen, click the New Chat button to clear your workspace, paste the direct interview prompt string into your typing field, and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Type out a direct command line like, "I want you to build a system prompt for me. Ask me questions one by one about my goals, my target audience, and my style preferences until you have enough facts to write the template sheet." Because instead of guessing what rules to include, you are flipping the script and making the tool do the heavy lifting. By launching this specific interview instruction line into a fresh text room, you override the default chat behavior and turn the application into an interactive builder that extracts your exact workflow layout steps. Step 2. Answer the individual discovery questions one by one using plain and simple words on your screen canvas rows. Look closely at the single question displayed on your screen canvas rows, such as asking who your target audience is. Type a short response like, "My readers are busy small business owners who hate big walls of text," and hit Enter to wait for the next question. Move down the message turns one at a time, keeping your typing completely simple and direct without trying to use any complex or fancy phrasing flat against your background view. Because it prevents you from leaving out critical layout restrictions or formatting boundaries. Answering the targeted questions one by one lets you download your thoughts naturally. The underlying system engine takes notes on your goals in the background, mapping out your stylistic requirements and structural constraints without confusing your core message. Step 3. Generate and review the unified structural bracket spec sheet. Once you have completed 4 or 5 turns, type a short line like, "Generate the complete master prompt block now," and watch the system print your finalized structural template sheet into a neat asset box layout on your screen view. Scan the generated text lines inside your monitor screen view to confirm that the tool included all your role directions, your exact paragraph choices, and your strict lists of words to avoid. Because it shows you your finished blueprint before you put it to work. The tool takes your simple conversational answers from the previous steps and instantly formats them using clean system parameters and text tags, saving you from sorting through messy documents or editing individual layout blocks by hand. And that's it. To build a Claude master prompt, you first open a fresh chat session and paste the master interview trigger instruction string on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the chat field to answer the discovery questions one by one using plain and simple words on your screen canvas rows. Then you tell the tool to compile your answers into a single unified structural bracket spec sheet inside your view window. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.